All right, guys. Let's see. Thumbs up if you found the right page. Got it? Okay. Follow along, please. Now, come in here and start recording. Where's my recorder? I think I already started. I did. Good. Alrighty. Now, you guys know that I draw yourself a little triangle for minutes, you guys, and I will shortcut the lessons. Grab this. Right? I'll look back at your backpack underneath. Thank you, ma'am. Now, darken that corner and just draw in. Okay, can someone help me, please? Can you help them find it? All right. Now, we start with the basis that triangles always add up to 180. And how you get the number of triangles is you take the number of sides minus and you times 180. So right here, n equals the number of sides. Okay? Now, we're going to do a little experiment to make sure you understand this. Okay? Ready? Hold up 3 fingers. You're going to do this with me, guys. Ready? 3 minus 2 is 1. What's 1 times 180? Oh, triangles out of 180. Let's try this. Let's do 4. Ready? 4 minus 2 is 2 times 180. 360. Okay, now I'm about to freak you out without a calculator because you're intelligent young people. Let's do 5. Ready? I'm going to coach you through this. 5 minus 2 is? Okay, now 3 times 180. Let me try to break it down. 3 times 80. 240. What's 300 plus 240? Okay, so you guys, that's how you do that, okay? Now, right here, I'd like you to drag out the edges. Drag out the edges. And now I'd like you to physically arrow sweep the exterior angles. Arrow sweep the exterior angles. Now take those arrows and sweep them over this way. There's 5 arrow sweeps. All righty, guys, ready? And trace. How many degrees is that? So this is always true regardless of the number of sides, whether it has 5 sides or if it's 153 gone. The exterior angles will always add up to 360. The exterior angles add up to 360. The sum of the sides minus 6 times 180. Now, over here, I'm going to regular. Right above regular, just write all angles congruent, or sides as well. That would be true of both. So hatch mark them all. So now, since they're all equal, all you do is you take the sum and you divide by the number of sides. So it's sum over sides. You okay? Now, see, it's interior, draw a little arrow to that word sum, because I want you to see where I get that equation. Now we're going to write 1 interior angle equals the sum divided by the number of sides. That's how you get a single one. That's all. No, it's n. Sum over sides. This is sum. This is sides. That's over n, folks, not 2. Exterior angles. Sweep them, hatch mark them real quick. Sweep them, hatch mark them. If those are equal, it's also going to be sum over side. Right, 1x, but obviously there's a slight little change. The sum of the exterior, draw an arrow like this. What's up, Alessandra? Okay, by all means, just come hunt it down. Memorize, but I have something that's going to help you right here. Next page, let's fill this out. Okay, I just want you to read, just read. The sum of interior angles, side minus 2 times 180. Say it. Sum of interior angles, sides minus 2 times 180. I want you to write it just like this. Watch. Sum interior equals sides minus 2 times 180. We're using n for number of sides. Let's read the next one. The sum of the exterior angles will always be 360. Read it. So we go like this. Sum x, we're getting there. You're close. You're really close. Now, each angle of a regular polygon, sum over sides. We have two versions of that. Right? One in, our sum is this. That's one in. You want to write this down, folks. And then 1x. That's an E. Technically, they're both sum over sides, though. They're still both sum over sides. There's your 4 equations. If you learn the song, you will have 4. I think the sum of exterior angles, sides minus 2 times 180. The sum of exterior angles, oh, each angle of a regular polygon, sum and the sum of sides minus 2 times 180. And the sum interior angles, sides minus 2 times 180. The sum of exterior angles. You're just like a little soft right now. Like that. Will always be increased. Yeah, 10 seconds, I'll just memorize. And go to the front page of today's lesson. Go to the front page of today's lesson. Front page. And go. From memory, attempt to fill that out. Alrighty, guys, let's check your work. Ready? The sum of interior angles equals sides minus 2 times 180. The sum of exterior angles will always be each angle of a regular polygon, sum over sides. So both of these are going to be sum over sides, except this one is n minus 2 times 180 over n, and this one is 360 over n. Just out of curiosity, out of 4 equations, show me with your fingers how many you've got memorized. Okay, we'll get there. If it's only one, we'll get there. We're going to do 3 problems together. I'm going to give you some practice. I will shortcut one of the 4 example problems. Copy these down, please. Sum. All right. These 7. Exterior. Okay, same with me. What's the first one? Interior. Exterior. Next. Yes, and then is or what? What symbol is that? I'm so sorry. Right underneath this, the little arrow, put a giant equal sign. Is, are, was, and were, when you see it, generally it's going to be an equal sign. And then the number gun, which means you need to know that penta is 5, hexa is 6. You need to know your... Okay, go to the right-hand side. You're going to write out your key questions. Then you do equations. Hands up, do this with me. Say equations. 2 sides with an equal sign. Do it again. Say equations. 2 sides with an equal sign. Let me model that for you. Ready? Let's start by doing our key question. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is, put a giant equal sign there, 36 degrees. What's the polygon called? Here's a huge hint. Underline poly. Poly is generic. You don't know the number of sides. Whenever you see poly, go immediately like this. N equals I don't know. Now we do equations. 2 sides with an equal sign. Step number 1, we have a single exterior angle of a regular polygon. So write 1 exterior angle equals sum over sides. I'm going to build it from the basics. Sum over sides. Okay, ready? 1 exterior angle equals, yeah, we were just, you're a little ahead. Got it? Now we circle plug chart. Because that's what says sum, says our sides. Okay, ready? Now we pick it up. You're just ahead here, guys. So we're going to write 36 equals 360 over n. Solve for n. Are we done, folks? Okay, tell me never why you're not done. Yeah, guys, make sure you actually answer the question. Oh, do not just give me the number of sides. Make sure you actually know how to name it. We're going to do 2 more after this. Ready? First, 2 questions. Start reading, start underlining. Finger on the paper. Underline all your numbers. Okay, ready guys? How many sides does this space have? 8. Start drawing yourself a stop sign. Okay, notice what I do, guys. When I count for 7, and mark them, I cross them out as I account for them. That way you don't lose track. No, you may not touch a calculator. Do not even look at your calculator, folks. Uh-huh. And then the 8th angle we don't know. Now, obviously, this would be so easy if it was a triangle, because you know triangles always have angles. Like that. Write it down, folks. So I'm going to write sum into triangles, side minus 2. Okay. You do math, longhand, no calculator. Welcome to 4th grade math, folks. You're doing this longhand, friends. Here, I'll show you a little trick. Ready? What is 6 times 100? Okay, so that's 600. What would 6 times 8 be? 6, yep. 6 times 8, guys. Last time I checked. 48, add a 0. Because it's in the 10th place, so this is 480. Congratulations, you just found the sum. So now we do this. We know all of these 8 have to add up to 1080. At this point, I'm freezing it. I'm going to give you a on that last no. Yeah. How do you expect to get stronger if you don't? Okay, on that, so stop learning that we ask brain cells to do your own math. Okay. All righty, folks. Okay. Do your own work, guys. You can start checking each other when you're done, but I actually legitimately want you to do on math. You now have a 2-minute lead on me, so. Tell a neighbor what you got for the last angle. Go. Okay, 6 times, and then what's 6 times 8? Oh, all right, folks. Thumbs up if you got one side. One more with you, which means I'm going to shortcut one. Okay, so ready? Flip the page. Cross out the A problem. We're going to go straight for the B. You got 165 there, friends. Okay, that makes you happy. Cross out the A. Go straight to the B. Oh, that doesn't help. Sorry about that. Okay, ready? Start reading and underline the key. Nope. It's okay. Remember, every single time you see colon, it means you don't know n. Okay, I'm going to ask two questions. Are we interior or exterior? Good. And so we're doing sum over sides. So we write 1 interior angle equals the sum, which is sides minus 2 times 180, over the number of sides. That's how you answer those two questions. You find whether it's in or X, then you find it whether it's 1 or sum. Let's circle plug check. We have the interior angle. What is it? Okay, so we got 140 here equals n minus 2 times 180 over n. That's a fraction on the right, pop that fraction on the left. Cross multiply. Always physically, I had 3 students in the last 2 classes get something wrong. They didn't physically cross multiply. So we're like this, friends, right? With the n there, n minus 2 parentheses 180. I'm going to freeze it from there. No, you may not use a calculator. Grab the 180 and distribute, guys. You may not use a calculator. If you're stuck right now, eavesdrop on a neighbor, see what they're doing. Whee! Okay, start checking in with each other. See if you guys are getting the same thing. Mm-hmm. Minus the 1 n to the other side, negative 40n equals negative 360. Double negative makes a positive. Okay, and then we do like this, 36 divided by 4, folks. That's why you don't use a calculator. N equals No, gone. All right, folks, you've got 40. Well, I'll be happy to help in about 2 minutes. You can, no, okay.